So I got the beatdown face sculpt from 5K Toys, and it is looking super cool right here on Naruto. Yep, got the actual hands changed out too, and they look really cool. You know, I got Anya just making some jokes about Naruto getting himself punched, and Denji's back there laughing. But yeah, Power just threw in that power punch, and she is having fun out here with the whole crew. It's looking super awesome. I love sharing these things with you guys, and hopefully, you know, we can do more long form content in the future. I just want to show you really quickly how they looked out here, hanging out, having fun, and enjoying the afternoon. In your collection, what is your favorite SH Figure Arts? You know, I've got a whole lot of different ones that I customize, but I also enjoy just, you know, doing stuff with these guys and making them look super cool out here. You know, you can take just a brick. I've let this thing sit out here for a long time, and it looks really good in photography. And then, you know, they set really well on here. And then I've got, you know, other bricks and everything over here to the side, and then a couple rocks. And I get the question all the time from people, you know, where do I get all of my rocks and stuff like that? I just pick them up from Home Depot or find them out anywhere, just having fun. So stick with it, and let's enjoy our time together. And if you got a favorite SH Figure Arts, let me know in the comments.